Hello 7th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. We are discussing about the operations of rational numbers. That is, we will discuss now the worksheet 5 for division. Okay. Divide 2 by 5 by minus 1 by 3. So division already we have learnt in the examples. So 2 by 5 divided by minus 1 by 3. First write putting the symbol. Now 2 by 5 division sign convert to multiplication, minus 1 by 3. The reciprocal will be 3 by minus 1. 2 3s are 6 upon plus minus 5 1s are 5. But the standard form denominator should be positive, so it becomes minus 6 by 5. Now coming to the second sum, minus 7 by 4 divided by 1 by 8. First rational number write as it is. Now change the division sign to multiplication sign. The reciprocal of the second rational number 1 by 8 becomes 8 by 1. Now it is 4 1s are 4 2s are, minus plus minus, 7 2s are 14 upon 1. So the final answer is minus 14. Now coming to the third sum, minus 10 divided by 1 by 5. Minus 10, convert the division into multiplication sign. 1 by 5, the reciprocal is 5 by 1. That means minus plus minus, 10 5s are 50 by 1. Answer is minus 50. Coming to the fourth sum, 1 by 13 divided by minus 2. 1 by 13 as it is, division sign becomes multiplication sign, minus 2. The reciprocal is 1 by minus 2. That means 1 1s are 1, plus minus minus, 13 2s are 26. To write in the standard form, it will be minus 1 by 26. Hope all students understood this first sum. Easy, isn't it? Now coming to the second one, by taking 3 by 4, y is equal to minus 5 by 6, verify that x divided by y is not equal to y divided by x. Two rational numbers in the different order. It is commutative property. So write LHS and RHS. In LHS it is x divided by y. In RHS it is y divided by x. So put the values. It is 3 by 4 divided by minus 5 by 6. Here it will be minus 5 by 6 divided by 3 by 4. Now solve it. First write as it is, multiplication sign, isn't it? Now the reciprocal, 6 upon minus 5. So it became, cutting 2 2s are, 2 3s are 6. Now 3 3s are 9. Denominator plus minus minus, 5 2s are 10. That means minus 9 by 10. Now on the RHS, it is minus 5 by 6 as it is. Division sign becomes multiplication sign, 4 by 3. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Now minus plus minus, it will be 5 2s are 10 and denominator 3 3s are 9. So you got minus 9 10 by 9. So minus 9 by 10 is not equal to minus 10 by 9. That means LHS is not equal to RHS. Hence verify. So the commutative property does not hold true for the division. Hope all students understood this second sum. Now coming to the third sum, the product of two rational numbers. The product of two rational numbers is minus 3 by 7. If one of the number is 5 by 12, find the other. Already we have done this type of sum in the example. So let the other rational number be x. The product of two rational numbers is equal to minus 3 by 7. If one of the number, if the first number is 5 by 21, find the other. Hope you have understood how to form the equation. The product means multiplication sign of two rational numbers is minus 3 by 7. If one of the rational number is 5 by 21, which is the other? Let that be x. So already you know, I have told you 2 3s are 6. So to get 3, we are dividing 6 divided by 2. Remember this? So to get the second number, we have to take first the third number divided by the first number. Hope you understood. To get the second number, third number divided by the first number. Now ordinary division, minus 3 by 7, this becomes multiplication, and here it will be 21 by 5. Now 7 and 21, 7 ones are, 7 3s are 21. Now cancellation is not there. Minus plus minus, 3 3s are 9, 1 5s are 5. So answer, the other rational number is minus 9 by 5. Okay. Now coming to the fourth sum, it is the same, the word problem. With what number? With the what number? So that number, let it be x. With what number should we multiply minus 36 by 35 so that the product is minus 6 by 5? With what number we should multiply minus 36 by 35 to get the product minus 6 by 5. Here also the second number we want. So second number is equal to third number divided by the first number. Okay. So second number is equal to third number divided by the first number. Now ordinary division, minus 6 by 5 as it is. Division becomes multiplication. Now the reciprocal, 35 in the numerator minus 36 in the denominator. 6 ones are, 6 6 are 36. 5 ones are, 5 sevens are 35. So here it is minus, here it is minus. So the final answer will be plus. 1 sevens are 7, 1 6 are 6. So what is the answer? The required number, rational number is 7/6. Hope you have understood these word problems. Okay, understand it properly and then solve the sums. Now coming to the fifth sum, it is by taking x is equal to, so x, y, z, then values are given. Now first sum is you have to solve x divided by y plus z is not equal to x divided by y plus x divided by z. So we will be writing LHS RHS, isn't it? So LHS x divided by y plus z. RHS, it will be x divided by y plus x divided by z. Okay. Now put the values. X is -5/3 divided by y is 2/7 plus it is 1/-4. अभी पहले ये ब्रैकेट के अंदर का करने का है, तो एडिशन में एलसीएम लेने का है, लेकिन इधर नेगेटिव साइन है, सो फर्स्ट वी हैव टू कन्वर्ट इट. -5/3 as it is, division sign as it is, 2/7 plus 1/4. सबसे पहले -1/4. Now -5/3 as it is, division sign. Now 4 and 7 LCM क्या आएगा? 20. याद रखो एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन में LCM. सो 7, सो 2 न्यूमरेटर पहले लिखो, मल्टीप्लीकेशन 7 4s are 28 plus -1 into 4 how much are 28? 4 7s are. Okay, so now you get -5/3 as it is, division sign. Now 4 2s are 8 और इधर आएगा प्लस -7 upon 28. Yes or no? Now it is a -5/3 divided by 1/28. That means -5/3 into 28/1. So it cannot be -8 5s are 40, 8 2s are 10, 14 upon 3. You got -140 upon 3. Now the right side one, RHS, x is how much? -5/3 divided by 2/7. Then here plus, and x is -5/3 divided by 1/-4. Now first the bracket, so -5/3 division becomes multiplication, 7/2 reciprocal, plus it is a -5/3 as it is multiplied by -4/1, isn't it? Now cancellation is there? No. Here also is there any cancellation? No. Minus plus minus, 5 3 7s are 35. Here it is 3 2s are 6 plus, here minus minus plus, 5 4s are 20, 3 1s are 3. समझ में आ रहा है सबको? The same method, slow and steady, you have to do. Now 6 and 3, what is the LCM? It is 6. So the numerator is that -35 into, it is 6 1s are, plus here it is 20 into 3 2s are, isn't it? So you got minus 35, 1 सा minus 35, इधर आएगा 22 सा 40 upon 6. So it became minus plus different sign subtract. बड़ा नंबर प्लस है, 40 minus 35 is 5 upon 6. So here you got minus 140 by 3. Here you got 5 by 6. Are they equal? No. LHS is not equal to RHS. Hence, verify. Is it okay? So x divided by y plus z is not equal to x divided by y plus x divided by z. Now coming to the second sum, the same, but here it is minus. Okay, and the value you have to take the same. So it will be LHS, RHS. What is given in the LHS? Right. So LHS, it is x divided by y minus z. On right side, RHS, it is x divided by y minus x divided by z. Now, x value is what? Minus 5 by 3. Minus 5 by 3 divided by y. 2 by 7 minus z, 1 by minus 4. Now, within the bracket we have to do first. So, minus 5 by 3 as it is divided by. Now, change the denominator. So, 2 by 7 minus 1 by 4. First step is this. Now, minus 5 by 3 divided by. Now, 7 4s are 28. Subtraction, so you have to take the LCM. So, 2 into 7 4s are 28 minus 1 into 4 7s are 28. Okay. So, minus 5 by 3 as it is divided by 2 4s are 8 minus 7 upon 28. That means it will be plus, isn't it? So, it is a minus 5 by 3 divided by 8 plus 7 upon 28. It is minus 5 by 3 divided by 8 plus 7 is 15 by 28. That means division means minus 5 by 3, division becomes multiplication 28 by 15. Reciprocal लिखने का है 5 1s are 5 3s are. So minus plus minus 28 upon 3 3s are 9. Okay. Now coming to the RHS, x का value minus 5 by 3 divided by y is 2 by 7 minus x is minus 5 by 3 divided by z, that is 1 by minus 4. Now ब्रैकेट के अंदर वाला पहले करने का है. सो माइनस 5 by 3 डिवीजन में क्या करते हैं? चेंज into multiplication sign, write the reciprocal. Minus 5 by 3, change the sign, write the reciprocal. Hope you are confident. Now 5 and 3, 7 and 2, cancellation is not there. Here also cancellation is not there. So minus plus minus, 5 7s are 35, 3 2s are 6, minus, here minus minus will be plus, 5 4s are 20 upon 3 ones are 3. Now it is subtraction. Subtraction का मतलब LCM. 3 and 6, 6 is the LCM. Numerator is minus 35 into 6 ones are minus 20 into 3, how much are 6? 2s are. Okay. Now minus 35 into 1 minus 35 minus 22s are 40 upon 6. So you got how much? It is a minus minus. Same sign, add, sign is minus. 5 plus 0, 5. 3 plus 4, 7 upon 6. Now 3 2s are 6, 3 25s are. आपको याद है 25 1s are 25, 25 2s are 50, 25 3s are 75. इसको इधर यूज किए. So 3 2s are 6, 3 25s are. So you got minus 25 upon 2. Are they equal? No. Minus 28 by 9 is not equal to minus 25 by 2. So LHS is not equal to RHS. Hence verify. So in the property already we have told distributive property does not hold true for a division. Both these are distributive properties. Now coming to the third sum. Here the addition is in first and then the division, isn't it? So this type also we have done in the example. So it is the X, LHS, RHS, X plus Y divided by Z. Here it is X divided by Z plus Y divided by Z. Now put the values. X is minus 5 by 3 plus Y is 2 by 7 and the Z is 1 by minus 4. And in RHS, X is minus 5 by 3 and Z is, here we have to take first Z, 1 by minus 4 plus, now Y is how much? It is 2 by 7 divided by 1 by minus 4. Okay. Now solve LHS and RHS. In LHS, first it is addition, that means the LCM. So 3 and 7, 21 minus 5 into 3 7s are 21. इसके लिए 7 से मल्टीप्लाई करो. 2 into 7 3s are 21. Multiply by 3. Okay. So divide by 1 by minus 4. Now plus minus minus 5 7s are 35 plus 2 3s are 6 upon 21. Divide by 1 by minus 4. Now this is minus, this is plus. Means 35 is bigger, so put minus sign. 15 minus 6 is 9. Here 2 remains upon 21. Divide by 1 upon minus 4. Isn't it? Now minus 29 upon 21. डिविजन है तो क्या करने का? मल्टीप्लिकेशन. सेकेंड का रेसिप्रोकल. minus 4 by 1. Is there any cancellation? No. Minus minus, it will be how much? Plus. 4 9s are 36. 4 2s are 8, 9, 10, 11 upon 21. So you got 116 upon 21. Now on to the right hand side. First you have to solve these two. So first it is division. So minus 5 by 3 into minus 4 by 1 within the bracket. Now it is a plus 2 by 7 into minus 4 by 1. Isn't it? No cancellation again. Minus minus plus. 5 4s are 20. 1 3s are 3. इधर प्लस, इधर आएगा प्लस माइनस माइनस, 4 2s are 8 upon 7. अभी एडिशन है तो क्या करने का, एलसीएम. 3 and 7 21. 20 into, sorry, it is 3 7s are 21 plus minus 8 into 7 3s are 21. So 20 into 7, that is 140, plus minus minus 8 3s are 24 upon 21. Now sign, this is bigger, so positive. 10 minus 4, 6, 3 minus 2, 1 and 1 upon 21. Both are same. 116 by 21 is equal to 116 upon 21. That is LHS is equal to RHS. Hence, they will find. Isn't it? Hope all students understood all the three sums. One is addition, second is subtraction, that is a distributive property. But here division is afterwards. First addition, then division. Here the answer will be same. Now the last sum, the word problem. From a rope of the length 40 meter, a man cut some equal sized pieces. How many pieces can be cut if each piece is of 4 by 9 meters length? So in a lower classes you have done this type of sums. So total length of the rope, total length of a rope, how much is given? 40 meter. Now they are telling each piece is 4 by 9 meter, means length of each piece, each matlab one piece, is 4 by 9 meter. They have asked how many pieces, so therefore number of pieces. So for that what we are going to do, always the total divided by length of each. Isn't it? So 40 divided by 4 by 9. 40 into 9 by 4. Division, make it multiplication, reciprocal. 4 1s are 4 10s are 9 10s are 90. So what is the answer? How many pieces can be cut? 90 pieces can be cut. Hope you understood. So we have completed this worksheet. Hope you have understood all the sums: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Bye. Thank you for watching the video.